Okay, in this video we're going to upgrade OutView from version 2.041 to OutView version 2.042. Now it's very simple to do. What we've got here is this is the download file, and we know this is the right one to use because it's got the word update in it. So what I'm going to do is open up that zip file, and so you just use whatever zip program you'd use to open it up, or double click on it, or however you normally go about doing that. And that will then give you a folder called OutView. So I'm going to open that folder up, and I just need to change the view so it lists out all the files that are in the folder, as we can see here. So we've got everything listed there. Now what I'm going to do is move over to my FTP program, and I'm using a Mac. I'm using a program called Transmit. You just use whatever FTP program that you normally use. And so I'm just going to navigate to the folder called OutView, which you can see here. So I'm just going to double click on that. So this is our existing installation of OutView. Now I just want to show you something, just so you know what version you're working to at the moment. And so here is OutView. I'm in the administration area. If I just scroll down the page here and we look in the bottom right hand corner, we can see it says OutView version 2.041. Now it's a good idea to keep this window open, just to log into the administration side of OutView whilst you're doing this, because you can then quickly go to it once everything is uploaded to it. So this is what I'm going to do. We now know we've got version 2.041, and if you have version 2.04, you can still do this. You just continue with what we're doing here. So I'm going to put that window out of the way, and I'm going to grab all of these files here, and I'm just literally going to copy them over, just drag them over to replace everything that we have already within the OutView folder on our website. Now you might need to do that a few times because we're going to be replacing some files and folders here. So as you can see, if we look down the bottom here, we can see that it's overwriting all the files there. It's actually not overwriting every single file in here. It's only overwriting those files we've changed for the updates and other fixes that we've applied to the software. So whilst that's going on, I'm going to pause it, so we're back in a second, and when it's all uploaded, and then we're going to take a look at the next step in the process of updating. Again, it's very simple, so I'll be back with you in a second. That's all of the files copied over now, so the very next thing I'm going to need to do is to go back to my browser again, and I need to type in, we're up here, right at the top here, I need to type in admin.upgrade.php. And what we need to do then is we need to run that page. So we basically need to just go to that page, and once I've typed it in, I'm just going to hit the return key. So what that then gives us is this message that says upgrade completed, log into the admin area. So that's all I've got to do. So now I just click on that link there. That now takes me to the admin area, and if I scroll down the page here, we can see it now says OutView version 2.042. So it's done. That is how easy an upgrade is, or an update is, to the very next version of OutView, taking you up to version 2.042. So hopefully this has helped. If you have any questions, just create a support ticket, and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Okay, thanks very much.